In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account name on Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update the name that appears across your pages, mentions, and shared workspaces. First, open your web browser and head to Notion.com. This takes you to Notion's homepage. From here, look for the Login button, usually at the top right. Click that to move into the sign-in flow. On the login screen, choose the Google option. In this example, we're using Google to sign in, so click Google, then select your Google account from the list. Complete the sign-in as you normally would, and you'll land in your Notion workspace. Once you're in, look to the top area of the sidebar for your workspace name. There's a small drop-down next to it. Click that drop-down to open the workspace menu. In this menu, select Settings. This opens the panel where you manage everything related to your account and workspace. Inside Settings, find and click your name, or open the Account section where your personal details are listed. This is where Notion stores your profile information that shows up to collaborators. Look for the Preferred Name field. This is the display name others see in comments, mentions, share dialogues, and member lists. Click into that field to edit it. Now type the name you want to use. It can be your real name or a company name. Whatever helps teammates and clients recognize you quickly. Keep it clear and professional, and avoid including private or sensitive information. If you work across multiple workspaces, consider using a consistent format so people always know it's you. As you type, Notion typically saves changes automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you pause a moment, you should be all set. You can navigate back to your pages, and your new name will appear wherever your profile is referenced. That's the entire process. Go to Notion.com, log in with Google, open the Workspace drop-down, head into Settings, select your account details, click the Preferred Name field, and enter the name you want displayed. Small change, big impact on clarity and collaboration. If your name doesn't appear updated right away, give the page a quick refresh or revisit the Settings panel to confirm the field shows your new text. And remember, you can return here anytime to adjust your name as your role or branding evolves. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change your account name on Notion quickly and confidently.